What's good, Ghost Gang? This your boy, Ghost Fighter 2T's, and you know I'm back with another informative video. And today, today we'll be unboxing the new iPhone 11. I'm gonna get right on into it. Get down, baby, because you're gonna bump it. Watch out. They don't want to see a shaky video. Get down. My little turd trying to get up here. Let's see. Let's see what we got. Ooh. New top secret color. Okay. Listen, I don't know who packaged this, but this did not help. What is this? That's some bull. Okay. So, here's some information from Boost, because that's what I got my phone through. So, that'll come with my version of it. And it tells me to follow the instructions. I think I got to put a SIM card in it. But are y'all ready? Bam! Ooh! Ooh! That presentation is sweet. Look at that. Love doing unboxings, bro. And then that's what's on the side again. And as you can see, some of them will have product information at the bottom. And I'm guessing that's something that they did. I'm not going to show the back of it. It has my information on it. But this is the 64 gigabyte. And when I come back with the next part of the video, I'm going to actually show me cutting it open and unboxing it. Be right back. Alright guys, so we're back. And we'll be unboxing it. I'll do it from this side because it got some information on the back of it. And I'll just kind of go into it along the side. I'm just cutting along the back wall of it. Yeah, this will never get used again. That, trash. Alright, so. So it even has a little cutout on the inside, which will allow the piece. I'm so excited because I got some other stuff that I want to show you guys for some accessories I have that you must have when you buy your first iPhone 11. So that's what it's like, man. Seen a lot of videos. Here's mine. Look at that. Whew. Whew. I don't even know how to. I think I'm going to do the swooping. Maybe that didn't work so good, but okay. So you can see the phone, you can see the back of it, and what I would say, this is smaller than my iPhone Plus. This is actually smaller. The screen's bigger than my iPhone Plus, but the actual bezel is really thin. It actually feels good in the hand though. Like I like the way that feel. I think I'll be able to type. And I know this is satisfying for a lot of people. Ooh. So, okay. So, there's the phone. Man, that thing looking sweet, boy. Alright, so you get you don't get a quick charger, but you get this. Got 1,000 of these around the house where my kids don't. You know what kids do. And this may look like AirPods, but it is not. A lot of videos I watched today did not show that. But the wire is in the back, see? The wire's raveled on the inside of this. So you get those two things, and then you get the actual cord. And I got so many of these around that I'm going to put this one away because I have so many iPhone extra ones that I'll have a nice fresh one when my other ones start to act crazy. And then there's nothing else in the box. I'm not going to show you the back. It's a 64 gigabyte. I'm not going to show you the back just because got my information on the back of it, and this is, I guess the product. I never got this before when I got iPhones, but it's the name, the color of this. That's what this is. It's called the product Red, and it says in partnership with Red, Apple will contribute a portion of your iPhone purchases to the global fund to support HIV/AIDS program and helps deliver the AIDS-free generation. Learn more at donate@red.org. So y'all go do that to help people who may be dealing with the HIV. It's a very sad thing, but it's a very true thing when people don't use safe sex. So, all right, so we're back. So I think my memory and my phone went dead, or my battery, but here we are. We're back. You get these 2 Apple things, which I'll probably just give to the kids. I don't normally use it. And then it just says hello, and it says welcome to iPhone, Face ID, and the different things that it can do. I've been like watching videos of what to do. Now this is one of the important things that you do get in it, which is what pops out the side to put your SD card in. So that's pretty cool. Comes with that, which I didn't see that in any videos today. And then of course it's nothing else inside. Okay, so that will be my official unboxing of the iPhone 11, man. The reason why I actually got this phone because I had a iPhone 6 Plus, not the S, but just the 6 Plus, and I love that phone. I literally did everything with that phone. I love the apps, I love the layout, I love everything about it, but it started glitching on me where it would get stuck, and the main reason is because it can't do the newest update, which is update 13. I understand. Little upset that my phone don't work no more. I spent $200 on it, but I think it was well $200 spent, because I spent that literally about 4 years ago, 4 or 5 years ago. I've had that phone at least about 3 to 4 years, something like that. My friends swear it's only been 2 years, but I know it's been longer than that because my daughter got her phone after me. But yes, this is the new iPhone. I'm not gonna like really use this video to power it on, because you guys know y'all know the routine. But yeah, it's sweet. I mean, I got the craziest awesome case for it, and it's not for looks. The case that I have for it is actually going to be for protection, but that'll be in a further video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was very informational for you. You guys can please show me your love by dropping me a nice like and a comment, and make sure you subscribe to my channel for more tech videos like these to come out. I love you guys. Go Side 2 T's, and I'm out.